Embroidery print-on-demand products. This is a highly popular product that mentioned it on the various platforms among fellow beauty sellers. If you're searching a standout product for your store on the market today, this is a good news for you. Embroidery products are incredibly promising and can be gold mine for you. So, what do you need to know about selling embroidered product? Watching this video to find out. And now, let's dive into the multi-tips and tricks section. Let's get started. Wow, I attracted by embroidered sweatshirt. When I see it on Etsy shop, I fall in love with it actually. This is also the product that I have to mention it in this video, embroidered sweatshirt. So let's take a quick stroll around Etsy to see how things are unfolding on this platform. Here, you can see the numbers are quite limited, indicating a high level of competitiveness for you. In the other platform, you can see here like Google Trend. I searched the keyword embroidered sweatshirt on the Google Trend and set the frame to 5 years. Boom, you can see here. It's rapidly increasing and reaching a peak at the moment. And you know, in 2024, no one knows how much it will search, so it's important to keep track of it and make informed decisions accordingly. Absolutely, no further explanation is needed, and I'm sure that you can grab the potential of this product, right? You know, the environment always is a hot topic, and it's increasingly influencing people's behavior worldwide. For sure, tote bag is a sustainable product, and this is a top choice for customers. Besides that, we also have the era of self-expression. Customized products are becoming a trend, allow individuals to showcase their personal style and avoid matching with others. But custom printing might seem too ordinary. Why not to try custom embroidery instead? It adds a fresh and unique touch, especially on tote bag. In addition, it's an essential item that sells all year round. Moreover, with the rise of the anti-plastic movement, this product in high demand worldwide, especially on e-commerce. And you need a good idea and proper execution, and you can sit back and watch the money roll into your wallet. If you need any support, feel free to message Merchai using the link provided below the description box. Let's strongly promote embroidered bags as our flagship product in the coming year. It will be the right decision for you. In my hand, this is Embroidered Cap from Merchai. Hey, let me share a secret with you. This is one of the top fulfilled products in the early months at Merchai. Why? It's because of the combination of great quality, reasonable pricing, high demand, and effective marketing campaigns of sellers. With the upcoming summer season, Cap will be highly sought-after items. Prepare unique products, especially embroidered cap, as they can bring you significant revenue. Don't hesitate. Order the sample and give it a try. All information you need is available on the description section. That's it. This Mother's Day, let's celebrate with the power of embroidery products. Show our mom just how much they mean to us. Thank you for joining me on this video. If you like Merchai Tips and Tricks series, please like, share, and comment below. Bye bye and see you in the next video. Thank you.